about the unit circle. So the unit circle is a circle with a radius of 1 unit. Is the center of the origin, the point is 0, 0. Angles in the unit circle start on the positive x-axis as 0 degrees, and the counterclockwise direction is positive when measuring angles, just like rotations. Contains 360 degrees, or 1 revolution, or 1 time around, and certain angles in the unit circle have a particular coordinate on the circle associated with them. So we're going to look right here. We're going to look at, they have special right triangles, which we've already talked about. So if we move this one in place first, now this is a 90 degrees, and it's 45, 45, 90. Here, let me try to put these in the correct spots. Oop. 45, and then this is 45 degrees up here. But it's also telling me right here that this is a length of, I don't like where that's listed, that's a length of 1. So when we solve this, this is that square root 2 over 2. And this down here is also square root 2 over 2. Sorry that it's listed funny. So what this means is at 45 degrees, this point right here is square root 2 over 2, square root 2 over 2. Comma. It's like a coordinate. Okay, and that's at 45 degrees. So this 45 degree angle goes all the way around. So instead of 45 degrees, we've got 90 is right here at the top. And this is, so it's 90 degrees is right here. This is 45, so we can make this right here is 90 degrees. And so this point right here at the top, since this length is 1, will be you go over 0, up 1. It's the coordinate. So right here, instead of 45 degrees, we're going 45 degrees and some more is actually 135 degrees. And since we're going in the negative direction, this coordinate up here at the top will still be square root 2 over 2, but it'll be negative square root 2 over 2 and positive because it's still up. Square root 2 over 2. Okay? And then we keep going around. Right here, instead of 135 degrees, we go 45 more and get 210. So this is 210 degrees right here. And now this is negative in all directions, so its point down here will be negative square root 2 over 2, comma, it goes down negative square root 2 over 2. Okay? And then we have this other one here, this last one. So this is, instead, it's, 45 less than 360. So this right here will be at 315 degrees. I'll write it here. And then move it. So this is right here, 315 degrees. And this point down here is going to be positive square root 2 over 2 and negative, because it's down, square root 2 over 2. Okay, that's going all the way around. Right here will be 180. This will be 100. I'll write it here and move it. This will be 180 degrees. Okay, and we can put that right here. And its points over here is going to be, I went -1, up 0. So that goes right here at 180 degrees. Right here, down at the bottom, this is going to be 270 degrees. And its coordinates is going to be, I'm going over 0, down -1. Right here, just put it in, is 360 or 0 degrees. And that's right here. And its coordinates are, I went over 1, up 0. Let's make sure you move that to the right location. Okay? So I am going to delete these lovely little 45, 45, 90 stuff. I'm going to delete all these triangles. So that we can kind of have it cleaned up a little bit better. And then we're going to put the 30, 60, 90 in. So then we take this triangle right here, square root 2 over 2 right there. This is harder than it should be. There's too many things on this page. There we go. 30, 60, 90 triangle right here. And when it's 30, 60, 90, we've talked about this before. This bigger side right here is going to be square root 3 over 2. And this smaller side is 1/2. So we can put right here square root 3 over 2, comma, 1/2. Okay, and this is when it is 30 degrees. Okay, so this is starting to get very crowded here, but I'm hoping you're getting a chance to see this. If we look right here at 30, 60, 90, this is actually over 120, but this would be -1/2 square root 3 over 2. So it gets very complicated. Luckily, I have it all worked out for you. At 30 degrees, the x value is square root 3 over 2, and the y value is 1/2. It's like it's on a coordinate plane. At 0, we're at 1, 0, or 360, we're at 1, 0. At 45, square root 2 over 2, we're right here. 60 is 1/2 square root 3 over 2. This is 90, is 0, 1. 120 is -1/2 square root 3 over 2. 135 is negative square root 2 over 2. And square root 2 over 2. 50 is negative square root 3 over 2, 1/2. 180 is -1, 0. 210 is -3 square root 2 and 1/2. 225 is negative square root 2 over 2, negative square root 2 over 2. 240 is -1/2, negative square root 3 over 2. 270 is 0, -1. 300 is 1/2 square root 3 over 2, negative square root 3 over 2. 315 is square root 2 over 2, negative square root 2 over 2. 330 is square root 3 over 2 and 1/2. You do not have to have these memorized, but this is how this works, and you will be allowed to use this for all of your assignments. So now in the next video, I'm going to explain how sine and cosine work using this.